You're gonna...
Bravery bleeds too. Strap in and see what happens when courage meets chaos.
Get on the ground!
Stop! You're gonna...
A gentleman in here, he's walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. I asked him...
Is he inside the store?
He's inside the store.
Has he brandished the knife to anybody?
No, but I asked him why he was carrying a knife, and he just looked at me and walked away.
Morgan Hill, California. On April 18, 2025, shortly after midnight, police quickly arrived at the scene following a disturbance report. A male subject, later identified as 40-year-old Sean Hillman from Van Nuys, was carrying a large kitchen knife and a full bottle of liquor as he threatened a Safeway store.
He hasn't done anything, just walking around with a knife. Bring Leslito. Leslito. She said, I'm gonna be out with the manager. There is gonna be a BM walking around with a kitchen knife and a bottle of wine. Do me a favor, ma'am. Can you go that way? Can you guys go that way, please? So far, refusing commands. Drop the knife. Hey, can you guys all get out of the store for me, please? Yeah. Everybody, can you guys all get out of the store? Hey, which way did he go? Hey, buddy, drop it. Drop it, buddy.
Stop.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come on, you're not in trouble, man.
You're not in trouble. They just don't want you back.
You're not in trouble. Come on.
What are you doing, bro?
You need to obey our commands.
What are you doing?
Police urgently ordered Hillman multiple times to put the knife down, but he ignored them. The chaotic chase unfolded inside the store. Even more shocking, officers discovered a victim whose head was bleeding heavily after being beaten by Hillman.
Did he hit you? Drop it.
Drop the knife. Failure to comply with our commands may result
Drop
in
it.
divorce.
Hey, you're gonna get taped.
Drop
You're gonna
it.
get taped. Get him, Eddie. Drop the weapon.
Drop the knife.
Hey, he stabbed him that way.
Stop! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Drop it! Shots fired.
After a few minutes, Hillman suddenly threw a series of liquor bottles at the officers. Despite warning shots, he aggressively attempted to attack the police with a bottle, but was subdued and shot.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't do it. Stop. You're gonna... 270 shots fired. Get down. Stop. 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 Stop! Stop! Just stop! Get down! Get down on your knees! Stop! Stay down! Stay down!
Stop! Stop! We want to get you help. I'm going taser!
Hey! Stop! Okay? Get on your stomach right now! Please go! Hey, get on your stomach!
No good.
We want to help you.
Stop!
Stomach!
Anybody else got a taser or anything?
Get on your stomach!
Slippery.
The officers immediately provided first aid to Hillman before he was transported to a local hospital. The victim was also taken to the hospital for head injuries, and miraculously, no officers were injured in the incident.
Drop it.
An emergency dispatcher 8876.
Hi, my name's Pacific Beach Branch Library, 4725 Cass Street. We have a man with an axe in here.
4725 Cass?
Yeah,
Okay, what is your phone number? What is he doing with it?
he's whacking tables with it.
Okay, stay on the line with me. You said your name was...
Yeah,
Okay, and I'm sorry, your phone number one more time. It's coming up different. Is anybody injured?
not yet.
Okay, stay on the line with me. I'm going to get my officers started. I'm not going to hang up on you. You might hear some clicking. Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
An incident caused chaos in San Diego, California, on May 8, 2025 at around 4:18 p.m. 53-year-old William Hanley was reported to be causing a disturbance inside the Pacific Beach Taylor Branch Library while holding a terrifying axe. He deliberately cut power cables, smashed computer screens, vandalized the reading area, and then calmly walked out of the library toward the 4300 block on Dorr Street, where he was located by police.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Take the axe out. Take the axe out. Put it down. Put it down. Put the axe down. Put the axe down. Hey, get some distance. Get some distance. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I'm gonna create a scene for the whole world to see.
No.
Get the fuck away from me.
Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the.
When the officers arrived, Hanley was walking on the sidewalk and ignored all commands to drop the axe. He even challenged that he would create a scene from the whole world to see. Faced with his defiance and the threatening raised axe, the officers were forced to open fire.
Hey, get some distance. Get some distance. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
I'm gonna create a scene for the whole world to see.
No.
Get the fuck away from me.
Drop the axe. Drop the axe. Drop the. Hey, you got it? I'm gonna go grab. I'm gonna kick the axe away.
Hanley was transported to the hospital for medical treatment. Notably, no officers or uninvolved civilians were injured in this incident, a testament to the quick and decisive actions of the officers.
Make sure nobody touches it, okay? Yep. If anybody gets close. Okay. Keep going here. Yep.
Georgia, in the early afternoon of February 3rd, 2025, police were patrolling on Chiper Road near Daisy Road and conducted a routine traffic stop. Suddenly, the situation escalated when the 33-year-old Tyler Pugh abruptly and brazenly fled the scene.
Okay, back on Southwest Boulevard.
suspect's swift and defiant escape triggered a dramatic pursuit that kept officers on high alert as they relentlessly chased him through the area.
Brakes.
He's in the blue dumpster! He's in the blue dumpster! Go that way! Columbus Police! Get out of the dumpster! Empty hands! Buddy, I got you by front. Columbus Police!
Hey, Chopper, you see that guy running north or south?
Hey Mason, let us know if you see anything. Columbus Police!
Got it?
Empty hands! We're not leaving! We got chopper overhead!
Okay, there was a man that ran south, that gray house, right around that house there.
Into the body block so we don't have any crossfire and also an officer. We got hands! Put your hands on the edge! Wait, hey! Hoover, give him commands!
Despite the intense and perilous nature of the chase, law enforcement maintained unwavering control and after a careful and strategic effort, successfully apprehended Pugh outside of his vehicle. Ultimately, the suspect was taken into custody without any further incident.
So just throw him in your car for now.
Get on the ground!
West Allis, Wisconsin. On April 15, 2025, using flock cameras, West Allis police quickly located a 2013 Hyundai Elantra that had been reported stolen from Fitchburg near 84th Street and McMyron. As they cautiously approached, they discovered that the driver, 29-year-old Charles Gregory, suddenly drove out of the parking lot and escaped brazenly.
94. We're getting on 94 right now. We're going to try to pit, see what happens. 10-4. Right now signaling that they're going to get off the expressway.
Gregory led officers on a furious 7-mile high-speed chase that included perilous wrong-way driving and a final dramatic pit maneuver outside Brookfield Business.
Alright, we're in the parking lot right now. Brookfield's got right behind it. It's coming back out to 124. Alright, it's up in the Aspen Dental parking lot right now. Alright, I lost a tire, pit. Foot bail! Throw your hands! You got him, I'm chasing that guy. He went across. Alright, he's going in the Jimmy John's right now. Get on the ground!
Officers successfully tased and captured him, uncovering drugs and a digital scale in his possession. But the arrest didn't stick for long.
Huh? Yeah, we didn't cut.
Trying to overtake anyone. Here, stand up.
I wasn't trying to overtake.
No, I wasn't. You're not supposed to do that.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
After being handcuffed and taken to a medical center, Gregory complained of a leg pain and requested a wheelchair. As soon as the officers opened the car door, Gregory suddenly jumped out of the wheelchair and ran off again. Unfortunately for him, police found him once more nearly 3 hours later in a garage.
That's his shoes right there.
There's shoes.
Hey, Bruce. See him? Come out right now. This is the West Dallas Police Department. Come out now.
Check out the dog.
Yeah, go get the dog. Dog's coming.
He's in a car garage here. We'll give him
Facing 7 criminal charges. If convicted on all accounts, Gregory could face up to 72 years in prison and fines of up to $100,000 US. A grim prospect for his repeated reckless behavior.